caught carp. Nice carp. Say goodbye though. Nice. There he goes. All right, guys. Caught another carp. We're gonna release him now.
Bye.
Nice. Great fish.
Oh, there he is right there.
Yep.
Okay.
This is Hunter's first carp of the day. It's huge. Reel. Nice. Here, I'll get it. So
I know. Stick is out.
good. Nice. Just take the stick with you. Oh, let's go. Nice carp. Alright.
And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Stop. It's still on there. Stop.
This is my first carp.
I'm getting it off this stick for Hunter because. Wait, is this your first carp ever or just?
Yes, my first
Oh, his
carp.
first carp ever. Cool.
Oh.
Even better.
Here, let me
Nice
wash
carp.
it off.
Hold up. Don't wash it off.
Here.
Okay.
Here,
Hunter's gonna release his carp. Tap him a little bit. There we go.
Bye.
Nice carp, Hunter. Hunter's got another carp on, guys. Reel it.
Oh, this is this one's my stick.
Nice. Okay, Hunter's third carp of his life. Let him go. Huge carp, guys. This is huge for this creek. We caught, it's probably about a 3 or 4 pound carp. Huge, out of the big school. I'm not sure if it's a carp or a Redhorse. I'm not very good with my carp, so let me know in the comments below, guys. But this is a huge carp. We're gonna release him. He's right here. We're gonna let him go. Right here. There he goes. Let's go, guys. Huge carp out of this tiny creek. Let's go.